Well, coming up in the end of June, the Golden Girls Dance Troupe is going to be having their wonderful dance show. Now, they have some events coming up before then as well, but tickets are going to go on sale for that in just about a week. And today, I'd like to welcome Anna Chu of the Golden Girls Dance Troupe. Welcome. Nice to have you back again.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Thank you.
This is a great event that you have every year. And although it's not happening till June 29th, we want to tell folks the reason you're here today is that tickets go on sale next week.
Yes, the tickets will be starting the sale May 1st. And this show will be presented by the Golden Girl Dance Troupe and also known as American Red Lantern Dance Troupe. And this troupe was established in 2013, and it is a nonprofit organization that specializes in Chinese folk dances. We have performed about in 100 shows in Southern California in the last 5 years.
Yeah, you folks have done a lot all over.
Yeah. So we made our names out there. So,
yeah.
The troupe is constituted of a group of dancers, non-professional and professional dancers. And they are working mothers and retired mothers. So they have a variety of backgrounds.
And you bring in people from all over the area for this show, right?
Well, the audience will be from all the people in the area, but
right.
The focus is the Laguna Woods Village.
Right,
residents. So, and this show we have been preparing for a long time, and every week we do 2 practices.
Oh,
and
wow.
each practice we last about 3 hours.
Wow.
Yeah, and
that's a lot.
Yeah, it is. And we have been invited to the Hollywood China Night to do a drum dance. That was the opening for the ceremony right at the Oscar night.
How nice.
And it was a big success.
Yeah.
So
that is really great. And
yeah.
again, you know, even though this doesn't happen to the 29th of June, this always sells out. I mean, people love these performances.
Yeah.
We've got some photos we're going to show. We've got a couple pages of photos, and you're going to comment on, you know, what they're doing in these, because you have all these different kinds of dances, and they all have symbolism to them. And you know, there's several here. Of course, you got some drummers and things like that.
Yes.
So we're going to bring up one of those photos, and you can tell us what they're all about. Here's 2 dances, and obviously one of them is the drummers.
Yes.
And then I think the other one is raindrops.
the
Am I right?
raindrops
Yeah.
on the banana leaves.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can talk about those.
Yeah, please do.
Yeah, and the first of all, the drum dances. It was the dance invited to the Hollywood China Night. It was a big success, and the organizer right there said, "Oh, it's too short. Can you do that again?" Right on the spot.
Wow.
So yeah, and everybody loved it. And because of the rhythm, very strong, and it's not just doing the drum. And we do very cool dance moves to excite the audience.
Now it's all women who do this?
In this dance, yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we were also invited last year to a diplomatic event between the Chinese and American governments.
Wow.
To a museum where they have an opening ceremony for a wall that is designed to educate the future generations to remember and learn about what happened in the Second World War. And we try to educate our youngsters to know that during that war, there are American pilots that volunteered to support the Chinese fighting against the Japanese invaders.
Now,
And,
where's this wall located?
That wall was just by the Los Angeles airport.
Okay.
There was a museum there. So that was a big success as well. So we
neat.
feel
Is
very.
the wall still there, or is it something that travels around?
The wall will be there.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's an
Very
aviation kind of a museum.
Oh, very nice. And I love this because you've talked about this before when you were on.
Yes.
And is this the Thousand Hand Buddha dance?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
That is a dance that was choreographed by an outstanding choreographer named Ji Gang Zhang, who has worked years to perfect the dance. And the dance was first performed by a group of deaf and mute dancers. Can you
Wow.
imagine how
Wow.
they trained years and years to perfect that dance?
Wow.
And the first performance was at the closing ceremony of 2004 Athens Paralympics.
Yeah. And this, can I ask you, this
Yeah.
is what they're wearing, am I right? And
Yes,
they're
this
similar?
is the costume for the dance, and as you can see, a very expensive costume.
Oh, I bet.
Yeah, and this is
Now, are these ladies that are in this, do they live here, or are they kind of a mix of a group from outside?
Yeah,
and
we
inside?
have.
I'll hold this one up.
our group do accept some other.
Okay.
From the area.
Yeah, look
mostly
at that.
Just the urban area. And very expensive and made in China and braided,
Wow.
handmade. And so we bought this from China.
Wow, that's beautiful.
Here,
and then you've got the headdress.
The headpiece.
Yeah.
You can try it on
All right,
if you
I'll
want.
try it. Here, I'll try it on. I'll put it
Yeah.
on. There we go. How do I
There, beautiful.
look? Yes. This is
Yeah.
probably very expensive.
It is very expensive.
Yeah,
So hey,
very
out there,
nice.
if anyone is willing to support us by doing advertisements
okay.
for your business or donation,
Yeah, I got 'em.
Everything will be welcome.
Now,
So-
again, this is happening June 29th.
June
And how
29th.
much are the tickets going to be?
The tickets, I think, was that.
Let's see if it's on here.
Yeah,
My
I think
sheet
15.
Oh yeah,
15 and 25.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
really,
Yeah.
you pay a lot more for that going to see this somewhere else, and it's how long is it? About 2 hours?
About 2 hours, and we
Okay.
try to make the show add a lot of variety.
Oh,
so
speaking of variety,
yeah.
we have one photo here
Yeah.
that you sent me today. It's of a Michael Jackson impersonator, right?
Yes.
And
Yes.
I mean, you look at this. I saw Michael Jackson in concert doing this. This is the Smooth Criminal piece, and the song. And
Yeah.
it looked at first when you sent this to me, I was like, wow, that
Well,
looks just like it.
Yeah, of course. He's not a golden girl, right?
Right,
He's
not
not
a
a
golden
girl.
girl.
Yeah, but we actually met him in the Hollywood China night.
Yeah.
January 24th.
And
and he was so real, and it's almost feels scary. We took some pictures with
Yeah.
him, and he does very cool dance moves.
Yeah.
So we invited him as a guest dancer for our dance.
Oh, that's going to
Yeah,
be great.
Yeah. And so speaking of variety, we have also invited a guest dancer who is a young ballerina. And she has won some prizes in the Grand Prix.
Wow.
Yeah, and so she will add a lot of beauty to this dance as well,
That is
besides
gonna be
our
great.
own dance.
So again,
Yeah.
let's remind people, tickets are available starting next week
Yes.
at the Performing Arts Center, May 1st, right?
May 1st.
And this sells out every year. So
They do.
definitely get tickets for $15 or $25.
Yes.
You are going to have a wonderful time. We're going to get you back here, to remind folks of this.
Yes.
And talk a little bit more about this next month, at the end of next month or beginning of June. And maybe we'll get Amy on as well. Amy couldn't
Yeah.
make it today.
Yes.
But this is wonderful.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, sure.
So
Appreciate
more
it.
information, of course, you can go online and look up the club, the Golden Girls Dance Troupe. That's, of course, on the club pages. You
Yes.
click on the web page, and then this poster comes up with information.
Yes, yes.
All right.
Thank you very much.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank
Good to see you again.
Yeah, the same.
We'll be right back.
Appreciate it.